we're back with another Firebase demo day. And this time, we're diving deep into how you can supercharge your apps using AI and Firebase. Earlier this year at Google I/O, we launched a ton of new features and a number of entirely new products such as Firebase Data Connect, Firebase App Hosting, Firebase GenKit, Gemini in Firebase, and a lot more. And if you've been following the Firebase release notes videos here on YouTube, you will know that we've launched more features since Google I/O. But now we're going beyond the what and showing you exactly how to use these features in a real-world app. So for Firebase Demo Day 2024, we're focusing on a travel app called Compass. Compass is a travel planning app that allows users to plan their next vacation. Now, I don't know about you, but planning the schedule for a vacation can quickly become quite challenging. You need to decide where to go. Europe, Asia, Africa, somewhere in the Americas like the Amazon rainforest, or maybe even somewhere far north like Iceland. Personally, I like mild weather better than freezing cold. But you also need to consider where to stay. So a nice resort, friends and family, or maybe you'd rather set up a tent and experience nature. And of course, activities. Chilling out at the beach, exploring museums, wine tasting, skiing, paragliding. There are so many options. Planning all of this might become overwhelming really quickly. In fact, most travel websites only focus on a very narrow use case, for example, booking hotels or flights or rental cars. So in the initial version of the Compass app, there is only a typical search form to allow users to search for vacation destinations. And functionally, this works just fine. But it seems like it's not very inspiring, right? So the team thought it might be a good idea to see if they can make the app more engaging with the help of AI. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and watch as the team uses AI and the new Firebase products and features to explore the world of AI and travel. You can watch each of the videos individually or watch all of them from start to finish. I'll start with how to use Vertex AI in Firebase to securely call Gemini from an Android app.